guys, how's it going? Today we've got a K3LA to look at. Now, this is just your basic standard K3LA. This is a raised letter horn. It's got bells 1, 2, and 4A. So pretty basic, but still very popular, and a very popular horn for people to put on their trucks. So anyway, this is the K3LA. This is on a low mount manifold, hence the L. K is your series, 3 bells, L for low manifold, A for American tuned. So anyway, enjoy this one. This is the K3LA.